Hi guys, I'm Robert and this is my first tutorial ever on how to beatbox. I have another YouTube channel called PRD213. It will be down in the description below if you want to go. That channel is about gaming, but this channel I started it because I want to teach people how to beatbox. And I want to show them how easy it is and that anyone can do it. So today's tutorial is going to be about the basics of beatboxing. And if you have Siri or an iPhone, basically, if you have an iPhone and you ask Siri beatbox for me, she will start saying boots and cats and boots and cats. And that is why, and that is the reason she says that. It's because boots and cats have these emphasizes of B, T, and K. B being the bass drum, T being the hi-hat, and K being the snare drum. So like if she would say boots and cats, you just have to emphasize the first stanza of each word, like boots and cats and boots and cats. Like, you feel me? All right. Basically, the way you do these three sounds, we start with the bass drum. You can either say the letter B or the letter P. It would either work for either of them. So you have to build up pressure in your lips. You build up pressure in your lips, and then you release it, and it will make the sound like. You can do it with B or P. It would work the same way. For the hi-hat, which is a T, is the easiest sound of all. It's just, instead of saying T, you're not gonna say T, you're gonna say T, like T, 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 T. And if you do them fast, you can learn how to do triplets, like T, 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 like that. And then K will be a snare. Like, you have to, okay, for the snare, it's a little bit tricky. Instead of saying K, you just have to, like, when you like cough, you will go like right? So like you would feel the vibration back in your throat. So the way you do the snare, like, you will be you would feel like your throat going up. Like, you will say K, K, K. Some people will be like, and that's fine, but like, you have to release air at the same time when you do the. So instead of getting a, you will get a. So some patterns that you can do for you to practice are BTKs, which are the foundation of like any beat that you will do. If you do these every day, you would get faster and faster, and you can like start mastering it. Like, you just get faster and faster and start working on it. And then after you've mastered it, or at least are good at it, you start throwing in more beats, more sounds, like this sound right here. Give me a sec. B, T, and K. So the way you would do this, it would be like, it's like reading music, basically. The way I'm writing this is like reading music. This would be, and then and also, if you start getting good, you can get this beat and change it. Like, instead of having a T here, a hi-hat, you can have another bass drum. You can also, instead of having the B, have a triplet there. T, T, T. the way you do triplets is like you have T and R. Like if you would do T and R like triple, or you get me, chur, but you won't say chur, you would just like do hi-hat and then like and then you put them together to, and then if you do that in the distance, so it makes it 3 sounds, it will be like so it's a bit confusing, but like if you get what I'm saying, just try to figure it out. If not, leave a comment below to like tell me what you don't understand so I can help you. But this is my first video, and I'll be posting more videos about different sounds so you can create any song that you like and learn different sounds, because these 3 notes are like the most used of all, and they're the easiest and the must know. You must know these in order to beatbox, because without these there's no beat. These are like simple beats that you can use. If you start getting good at this, you can put a beat behind any song that you're listening to. If you start hearing any song and you just stick with the tempo, you just practice the tempo, put a BPM, beats per minute, that you're used to, that it's easy for you to go along and feel the flow, you would get better at it, and you can increase the tempo to have fast beats, or whenever you feel comfortable, you can raise it up and start doing faster beats. But for now, practice these 3, B, T, and K, because B, T, and K are the foundation of beatboxing. Like, you must know these. I can literally create any beat just using these 3. Like, you see? And there's all other sounds that I will be teaching you guys how to do. There's PNR. There's PNR. There's PNF. PNR will be like a type of bass, but deep, different. Like, it will be like, that would be like something for like drops, when like you're building up tension to a song and then you will use a drop. You would use PNR and other sounds. PNF is a type of snare. It's like, if you put PNF and K, there would be a good combo for like, those 2 are a good combo. But yeah, just practice B, T, and K. Make sure you have them down, that you can do them, because anyone can do these sounds. So just practice on it if you want to learn how to beatbox. And also, drink a lot of water, because your lips get dry super fast when you do this, especially for like long term. And when you're doing lip rolls or deep throat basses, you have to stay hydrated. So yeah, that'll be it for today's tutorial. Make sure you leave a like in this video if you liked it, and a comment of if I can improve in this video or in anything like that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification, the bell thingy, Yeah, the bell thing right there. Yeah, that thing right there. You must press it because there will be more tutorials upcoming, and you guys must know different sounds to be a good beatboxer. Well, that'll be it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.